Hey friends, I wanted to show you this ever so adorable little gift I received from Rochelle from the Scrap Room. Now, I have always loved the Scrap Room. I love that they have flavors of the month kits, which gives you a taste of all these different collections. So, you know, if you end up wanting to get more, you can get more, but if this is enough for you, that's enough for you, and that's great. I think it's an absolutely awesome way to do kits, although I love full collections. I love mini collections. I love kits that are from 15 different manufacturers. So I can't just say I like just one thing. And she made me the world's most beautiful card. So not only is she a great businesswoman, she's very talented. So let me show you what is in the flavors of the month. And oh, and it came with this little packet of coffee in wild blueberry flavor. And yeah, that's just one of those lovely added benefits because then my stuff will smell a little bit like coffee when I'm scrapbooking, and it might be the best smell ever. All right, so the first collection is from Land That I Love by Doodle. And oh, I forgot. These always come with just a little bit of cardstock. So the cardstock that it comes with is gorgeous. There's 2 pieces and it's in maraschino. Okay. So then the first paper from Land That I Love is called Seeing Stars. So there's hot air balloons, and look, they have little smiley faces on them. So it's hilarious. Oh, and then the back side has stars. How cute. I have the stars that go with this collection. They're kind of like translucent. They're gorgeous. So yeah, so that is so cute. The next paper I have, it's called Family Picnic. So a really nice white background with some geometrics. Oh, and then this looks like a picnic plaid. This also works for like a hunter's plaid if you don't need it for 4th of July. Then finally, this is called Having a Blast with all kinds of fireworks with little happy faces. And look at even the little dynamite. It has little funny faces on it. Oh, and then this back side is this gorgeous, gorgeous blue, tone on tone. All right, I love that. Let me bring this with a little spot here so I can show you the goodie bag real quick that comes with it. So you do get like an assortment of goodies, and I'm usually not that great at telling you about it. So we're gonna get 1/8 of a pack of Doodlebug odds and ends, and then some Doodlebug mini jewels. Okay, so let's show you. Here are the mini jewels, and I have them in red, and I don't know if they come in multiple colors, but that's what came in my goodie bag. I'm gonna put that on the blue. Then I have a cute little heart, a little bit of a bigger blue heart. I've got an aqua little star, a set of fireworks. That's cute. That, oh gosh, what are those called? It's like a bunting thing. It's okay, well, we're not gonna really talk about it because I can't come up with the name of it, but a rosette, that's what I was thinking it looks like. And my daughter's laughing at me. Looks like a little baby eagle in an Uncle Sam's hat, of course, because I have a lot of pictures with eagles with Uncle Sam hats on them. I'm gonna get that one in. Cute little stars and stripes heart. So I like that I ended up with 3 hearts. Another little firework blast. This reads hip hip hooray. So like I said, one of the awesome things is, even though you might get a collection for 4th of July, you can use that anytime. Oh, and my dog just decided that my tripod was moving. Sorry. A little sign that reads love. A cute little star with a happy face. What are these? What does it say about this? Wait, oh, and I get 2 Doodlebug pinwheels. So I'll be able to make little pinwheels, and I have a little center. Oh, and you can decide what side you want them on. Oh, I know. I bet that's so that you can see a bit of that color as it comes through. Okay, those are super cool. I'm gonna have to look up how you make those. Okay, so let's put this back in. Oh, those are cool. That's really cool. I didn't know that this collection had them. It's funny that I ended up picking up the little gem, well, they're not gems. They're like translucent enamel dot kind of things, but they're stars for this collection. So I have those, and that's all I did have for the collection. All right, so let's do that. And I will pile this up to the side. You already had to watch me fumble to put it away. The next set is from Pebbles. And this is an adorable, adorable collection. So we will start with all right, so the cardstock from this is called what? Oh, it says it's blue, and it is blue. It's almost a navy blue. The first sheet of paper is called Smiling Hearts, and they kind of look like conversation hearts, all happy, happy. And then the back side is an awesome plaid with every color. If you have any Easter pics left over, that would be gorgeous because I prefer my Easter pictures with a little bit more saturation. And I love the branding strips by this company. Next, this one is called Happy for the reason that it says happy on the page 9,000 times. Okay, the back side of this is almost a tomato soup red. I guess it would be also considered a coral, but to me it looks like tomato soup, like Campbell soup, with a nice branding strip again. Then finally, the third paper is called Rainbow Stripes, and it looks straight out of the mid-'80s. Oh, and the back side is a really great seafoam tone-on-tone green with cute little ice cream cone strips. And then the goodies that came with this are what? We have a third of a pack of the ephemera, and then some American Crafts puffy phrases. So I know that varies, so you get what you get and you better be happy about it. Anyway, they'll be cute. A cute little backpack. Cute little seafoam green heart. And these hearts look like the ones that were in that crepe paper Valentine collection not long ago. We have ourselves a little dinosaur on a skateboard. Got some blueberries rocking out with some headphones on. We have a cute apple and an orange. They are adorable. Makes me think of the song Fruit Salad Yummy Yummy. This is a Catacorn birthday cake. I have to scrapbook pictures that I haven't taken yet. On the 19th is my daughter Ryan's birthday, so this will be a great collection for that. A little banner piece. An adorable sun. This is a donut rainbow with clouds with rainbow sprinkles coming out. Now these are on a little perforated edge, so it can be a double-sided element or you can end up with two cupcakes. Same thing for this cute little radio and for these little drinky poos. And then the sentiments I got read, "Oh, happy day," and "Let's party." So that's adorbs. So the next little set of goodies is, oh, this is by Photo Play. I'm a big fan of Photo Play. So, oh, I have never seen this. This is cute. Okay, let's start with this. For Photo Play, we have white cardstock and it is textured. I love textured cardstock. I find it so interesting to work with. And you know, this is white, but I don't know. It's got like a slight eggshell color to it. All right. Let's go with, oh my, there's sloths. All right, so this is called Don't Hurry, Be Happy. All right, it says Don't Hurry, but it says Don't Hurry, Be Happy. Just hanging with my crew. Oh, that's cute. So there are sloths just doing their thing. I already have scrapbooked my sloth pictures, but I do love that. So we have a gorgeous sunflower yellow tone-on-tone diagonal. Kind of prefer that side, but I am a B-side kind of girl. Next, we have Read a Book. So there's a really nice crayon red background with wonky white hearts. Oh, and then this side has everything to do with reading. So that is awesome. I wish my kids were readers, but they are not. And this side is called Pillow Fight, which is an absolutely gorgeous stripe. I kind of like it going in that direction, but you do you. And then this back side is a graph, but the lines are wonky. And I'm gonna have to try to use a bit of both those sides. And then we do get the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet with this collection. So there's lots of cute things, like there's a mama bear and a baby bear. So that's kind of a thing in my house right now, is the bear thing. Family, okay, so let me see. So, oh, it's from the Stay Home collection. So this is another one of the collections all about staying home and hanging out and all that kind of thing. And I think that is awesome. So there's some really great sentiments, like for game night, that is cute. Family playtime, little sloths doing all kinds of things. That would be so cute. I don't go to our local zoo anymore, but I almost want to so I can get pictures of sloths, which is just terrible. Oh, and my youngest daughter is camping right now. That would be a really cute thing to put for her camping layout. And yes, I know there's chairs there. I'll just chop those little suckers right off. Anywho, this is gorgeous. Love it. That is going to end up being a camping layout. Now, the last piece, oh, and this is super pretty. It's by Pink Paisleee. It's called And Many More. And I hadn't seen this one either. Ooh. Okay, so we get white cardstock with this. Let's see if it's the same type. It's basil and white. And it's nice and sturdy. It's not the marshmallow, but it is really nice and sturdy. So this collection is called And Many More. This is an absolutely stunning floral. I like, kind of like, it's almost like a pea green that's in there. And this rose color is a little bit more of a dusty color. And we have a nice tone-on-tone pink, and there's little gift boxes on the branding strip. Now this piece is a mustard on mustard, but oh, look at this fussy cutting extravaganza. Okay, this is number 3, and it is absolutely stunning. The only problem with fussy cutting it is, I would want to leave a little bit of a border around them because I love that deep teal. The back side of it is the tone-on-tone mustard, and we have a really nice white branding strip. This piece right here is number 12. So absolutely great stripes, and they're not perfect, which I love even more. And then there are balloons on the back side, which means that this could be a great birthday layout as well. Awesome, awesome. So let's see what goodies we get in here. We get a quarter of a pack of the ephemera and 1 of the washi tape. So let's see what my, I probably would have to say I scored the best washi tape. Why? Because I can use this on 99% of my layouts. I might actually achieve using up this washi, which is now going to be a goal to see if I can use this up this summer. So just a nice metallic gold. And it's a mid-tone metallic too. It's not too yellow. I know that will not, oh, it stayed. Okay. Next, let me show you my ephemera. And my ephemera, like I said, I have a quarter of a pack. So I have a little birthday gift. I'm going to have a hard time now because I have 2 different things I can do birthday layouts with. Looking Good Girl. Although I still have my dog's birthday to do, but these are rather feminine. This has a little piece that you can punch out. It's perforated. And then there's like a little tag bit too. Oh, this is awesome. Great birthday balloon. That's like the other Pink Paisleee birthday collection. Another gift. Oh my goodness. A macaroon little birthday cake. All About You. This reads Party. I actually did just do my husband's birthday pictures as well, but this doesn't quite look like him. You Deserve All the Good Things. Another great tag, and it has like confetti on it, and then a gorgeous journaling spot. So this is what I got in my little ephemera collection. Yours might be different because they will vary since they break up the, a little polka dot there, because they break up the packaging, so we all get a really nice assortment of all the goodies. I love this kit club. I really can't tell you enough about how much I love this kit club. Okay, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thank you so much for this gorgeous gift. You know how much I love your club, and you know how happy I would be to design for you anytime. You let me know when you want me, and I am there because I love these goodies. So thanks again. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can, and I will be back ever so soon with another video. Bye, friends.